In this video, we're going to talk about the HubSpot mobile app, VoIP calls, and how your life, well, might be changing. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right. I'm your boy, George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com, bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then you're in the right spot. Make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the HubSpot and inbound questions that you may have. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Previously, Sales Hub and Service Hub customers placing calls through the HubSpot mobile app had the option to call via their cell phone provider or via HubSpot Sales Calling VoIP. Effective 6/19/19, depending on when you're watching this, might be a long time ago, calls made from the HubSpot mobile app will be made via your cell phone provider, and the option to make calls via HubSpot Sales Calling or VoIP will no longer be available. Oh my God. This change is intended to create a more consistently reliable calling experience for you, the HubSpot user. While calls made via cell phone provider cannot be recorded, you'll still be prompted to log call outcomes and notes following your calls. As an alternative option, HubSpot calling partners like AirCall and Ringover do have mobile apps that you can track calls directly into your HubSpot portals. These are suitable alternatives to HubSpot's mobile VoIP feature, and you may want to think if they're a good fit for your company moving forward. Hey, did you like this video? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for instant notifications, and so we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Until next time, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human, and as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.